English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Adoption, bad-tempered, calculate. Adoption. Adoption is a noun. B2 learners usually know adoption. At B2, adoption is the process of legally becoming the parents of another person's child or children. Here are some examples. Adoption is a lengthy process. They thought for a long time about adoption. The adoption of other people's children is a serious matter. Bad-tempered. Bad-tempered is an adjective. B2 learners usually know bad-tempered. At B2, bad-tempered describes a person who becomes angry and annoyed easily. Here are some examples. I am not as bad-tempered as my uncle. Unlike her brother, she can be quite bad-tempered. He is usually very bad-tempered in the mornings. Calculate. Calculate is a verb. B2 learners usually know calculate. At B2, to calculate is to discover a number or an amount using maths. Here are some examples. She has always liked to calculate large numbers. To calculate numbers successfully in your head is quite a skill. He has calculated that it will be 6 years before he becomes qualified. Now write some of your own sentences with adoption, bad-tempered and calculate. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.